How to log in Facebook account without email and phone number. So if you want to log into your Facebook account without the email and phone number, then first thing you need to do is you need to update your application. So first open up your Play Store or your App Store. And once you've opened, go for the search and then search for Facebook. Once you've searched here, you may have an update option. If you have an update option, simply tap on update and update your application. And once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, after updating, you need to open up your Facebook application and you can simply go for the search and search for an account which you would like to log in. So for example, I'll be trying to log into this account. What you need to do is go for the right side, which has that three dots, and then tap on the link and copy the link to the profile. And once you've copied the link, now you can open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And once you're here on the browser, you can simply go for the search and then you can search for randomtools.io, and here you will have find Facebook ID. So you need to simply go for the first search and you need to enter that link here. Tap on find Facebook ID and here you will get the Facebook ID. Simply copy the Facebook ID, and once you've copied, now you need to enter the Facebook ID under your email or phone number option. So while logging into your Facebook, you will have the email or phone number option on the first blank, right? So you need to simply enter your ID and then you need to enter your password and you will be logged into your account. So that's it. That's how you can log into your Facebook account without the email and phone number. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.